What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Insects by Lil Dusty G. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or I will come at that neck like a spider monkey. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay, you guys, this song's in standard tuning, and it's got 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, I made one for you guys, and it's in the video description, so if you need it, jump into the video description once you get done. It's there for you. You're going to start out with a D minor chord. It's going to be 0, 5, 7, 7, 6, 5. And then you're going B flat major, and this is almost like a B flat major 7 or something along those lines, because what you're doing is 0 on the low E, 1 on the A, and then you're barring the next 4 strings on the 3rd fret. So D, G, B, and E are all barred. And then G minor, which is 3, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3. And then A major, which is 5, 7, 7, 6, 5, 5. Once you get the chords down, I'm going to show you the picking pattern for the song. It's like a mixture of picking and strumming for every chord. Starting with your D minor, you're going to pick the A with your thumb, and then the G with either your index or your middle, doesn't matter. Pick those, 1, 2, and then you're gonna down strum the chord, and then you're going up, 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 down. And every single time I strum up, or really strum the full chord, I strum it once, and then I kind of let my fingers loose on the fretboard to make it mute. So you can see how like I'm letting off after I'm strumming. So A, G, down, let off, up, 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 down. And honestly, on that up strum, the one that's the last one before your down strum, I'm not even holding down the strings, that's just muted. So that last up strum is just muted, I'm not pressing down, and then when I'm going to down strum, that's when I press down. That may sound a little confusing. I'll do it a couple times for you, but once you get this down, that's the exact same strumming pattern for the entire song. So once you get it down, it just repeats throughout everything. So if it's a little frustrating at first, just keep practicing, and I know it can be tough. Again, it's A, G, down, let off, up, let off, up, let off. Don't play anything for up, just muted, and then down, and then let off. Again, once you get that strumming pattern, just repeats the chords, the strings that you pick are a little bit different each time, but that strumming, that down, up, 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 down just repeats. So after that D minor, go down to your B flat major 7, and you're gonna pick the A string again, but then you're picking the B string that's gonna be held down by your ring finger. So A, B, and then that same strumming pattern. You want to make sure you get that high E on 3 in there. It's really hard. It's going to hurt your hands, because these are not super easy chords, but it's great to practice and get your hand strength up, but it is going to hurt at first. Like even playing it, my hand is getting a little bit sore, but just keep practicing. This is the only way that it's going to make these chords easier to play. So again, A, B, down, up, 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 down. Then go to your G minor, and you're picking E, D, and then down, up, 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 down, same strumming pattern. Then go to your A, same thing, E, D, down, up, 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 down, and then it starts all over. So all together slowly, it looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.